If you're a Kpop Demon Hunters fan, get ready, because today I'm creating something unique. A 3D coin purse with Derpy's face. Can you imagine how I made it? Stay tuned, because I'll show you step by step. My brushes and tools were falling apart. Bristles everywhere, scissors going dull. It was time for an upgrade. So I thought, why not try Temu for the first time? Super low prices and the quality honestly surprised me. First out of the mystery bag, these premium scissors. Then we have this set of 7 watercolor brushes. Synthetic squirrel hair, soft as a cloud. And look at this. I pull on the bristles and not a single one comes out. Next, something that instantly stole my heart. Stationery with cats, pens, markers, an adorable pencil case, all in colorful gradient designs. Honestly, for the price I expected way less. Should I order more craft supplies and test them with you guys? Then I grabbed this soft suede-like faux leather in pink and blue. Now here's my secret weapon. 35 nail art brushes. But they're way softer than regular craft brushes. On screen you'll see a code to get this set and more for $0 if you're a new Temu user. Links in the description too. After that, these waterproof adhesive tapes in purple gradient. I also got a floral print ruler, because my old one was so worn out, you couldn't even read the numbers anymore. And this faux rabbit fur fabric in pink and gray. So soft, perfect for small plushies or maybe a labubu. This one I've been dying to try. Magic sponge paper. You paint it, add water, and it puffs up in 3D. Should we test it in the next video? Then these multi-ink pens in pink and black, each with different retractable colors. These pastel pink and blue scissors, so pretty I can't even. A purple metal ruler, sturdy, and ready to join my crafting arsenal.
What? Every single day going MIA. Yeah, I'm over, yeah, what more can I say? 너는 지루해, move out of the way. Just let it go, boy. 머리 bling bling, style bang bang. Bet you don't recognize me. Only love
bring every little detail of Derpy's face to life, I'm using my favorite acrylic markers. Ohuhu. I love them because the brush tip is just perfect for mimicking fur and making everything look super realistic. I picked out these shades that look amazing, and if you want to try them too, I dropped all the links to my materials in the video description.
바랬던 예전 소원 이룬 날 너의 문제 사탕 같은 말 숨길 수 없는 payday 고소한 coffee yes we go on and on collect them all but I don't care what they say I like it I go la 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 I like it I just want 사라질까 두려워 fight for it to make it stay just fine yeah yeah I like it I go la 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 I like it I just want oh baby say it and make it a day the brightest day I like it I go la 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 I like it I just want
Since the accessories had to match today's tutorial, I went with my two favorite rings from Handmade. This kitty one is actually a fidget spinner, so it helps me chill while I'm painting, and the other one is just the cutest thing ever. I'm honestly a huge fan of this brand, and I feel like their pieces are always with me in my videos.
Make you see, want you to be with me endlessly, but forever till we part ways. Hope it's not too soon. How I see it now, just wanna make a temporary truce. For every move, sun passing by made me realize got nothing that I wanna lose tonight. But with you, it's always day and night. I'm just trying to make this right, yeah.
보고 싶어 wanna take the night. Honestly, I wanna set the side way. 말해줄래, tell me what I want.
I think I met the one. In a million at the jackpot, finally did it, I won. Yeah, till I'm searching for something better. You're just too good to be true. Ain't nobody like you.